Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kido. I hope you like all my videos. I hope you like the videos and subscribe the channel to get more notifications for the next videos. Welcome to my channel. I missed you so much and I love you so much. So today's we have a new letter with a new way. I hope you like it. I've made an application for you and for our channel, and I hope you install it and love it. So let's go and install it. I can show you how to install it. First of all, you will open the Play Store and write in the search box Kido. It's the name of our channel, Kidocards. Yes, it is. Search for it. Okay, now you will find the first one here, and this is the logo of it. This K. This is the application that I need. It's Skiddo Cards. Okay, let's open it. I've already installed it. Let's open it. Okay, this application really will help your kids to know the letters, numbers, shapes, and colors. It's also easy to use, and I'll show you this, how to use it. And also, it's safe for our kids. You can let your kid use it alone, okay? So first of all, let's begin with the letters. Okay, these are the letters from A to Z. For example, let's go to letter A. Wow. So you can find here the letter in the middle and around it the words that begins letter A. And also you can hear the letter and the words. So let's try.
A.
Can you hear it? This is the letter. Now let's listen to the words.
Apple. Ant. Alligator. Ambulance.
And so on with the other letters. So let's go to the numbers. Okay, it's just take just few seconds to load. Make sure you are opening the internet. So these are the numbers from 1 to 10. You will see the number and its quantity, and also you can see the number written in letters O and E, like in number 1, and so on. Here are the shapes. Also, you can hear it.
Triangle.
Wow. Okay, and the colors.
Red.
And also it's written. And there will be more updates for you. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can press here and press contact us and write the message. It will deliver to us, and so we can upgrade the application. So let's start. Today's letter is letter B. Letter B. Excellent. Okay, let's hear it.
B. B. B.
Wow. Okay. Who can guess what is the sound of letter B? B makes the sound B. Super. B. It's B, not P. It's B. Without any air coming out of your mouth. So it's B, not P. P. No, it's B. Okay? So, B is for
Boy.
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 Are you a boy or girl? Tell your mother, are you a boy or girl?
Boy.
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 Super. Okay, and what's this? The object next to the boy, it's
Banana.
wow.
Banana.
Banana. Do you like to eat banana? I like to eat banana. Okay, what is the color of the banana? Can you see it? Is it red? No. Is it blue? No. Is it yellow? Yes, it's yellow. Super.
Banana. Banana.
Yellow banana. Okay. And what is this?
Bat. Bat. Bat.
Bat. As you can see, the bat the color of the bat is black. Oh, black also begins letter B. Black bat. Black.
Bat.
Yes, excellent. Okay, and the last word here is
Bus.
excellent.
Bus. Bus.
Bus. B is for
Bus.
bus. Super. So, those are the words begins letter B. Let's revise them again. Yeah, repeat after me.
B. Boy.
B, boy.
B. Banana.
B, banana.
B. Bat.
B, bat.
B. Bus.
B, bus. Okay, let's sing the song together. The bee says B. The bee says B. Every letter makes a sound. The bee says B. Excellent. Very good. So, this was the letter of the day. It's letter B. Now let's go and write letter B together. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, first, before I go, don't forget to install the application from the Play Store and tell me your opinion. Thank you so much. We will take our whiteboard, ruler, the markers, and let's go. Okay, I will draw the 3 lines. One, two, and 3. Okay, and we will write 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's write letter B. Are you ready? From line number 1, do your starting point. And let's write stick down, round and round, stick down, round and round. One more time from line number 1, stick down, round and round. Wow. Okay, what about the small b? It's also from line number 1. Stick down and 1 round from line number 2. Just 1 round. Okay, just 1 round for the small b. Okay, and another one. Let's write another one. Starting point from line number 1 and stick down and 1 round. Okay, can you see the bees? The 2 bees? They are working after each other, right? They are working after each other. Don't forget, the bees works after each other. Excellent. Okay, so now the bee is happy. So this is letter B. Letter B. So I hope you like the video. See you next video. Bye bye.